Good morning, everyone. My name is that's not true. Oppo A15, an expensive device, probably one of the most popular smartphone out there. Even smiles nice. Well, let's unbox it. Wow. Wait a minute. Uma. Intense smell. I'm serious, intense. It's like, it's like my ex-wife. Exactly. Pretty cheap, but really good. Voila, monsieur. Wow. Okay, so the phone is it's big. Power button, volume buttons. Nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Very strange. There's a SIM card tray in here. Headphone jack. Micro USB. Unfortunately, not USB Type C. That's what it is. One speaker, another microphone, and jack. That's all it is. Where do we start, my friend? Well, first with the fingerprint sensor, which is in here. Come on, look. Look how quick this is. Fabulously quick. Way quicker than the on-screen sensor. Under the screen sensor, sorry. See? Bam! Well, let's do it again. Bam! And there it is. See? Very nice. Now, benchmark. Well, I have to be honest with you, there's a problem with the Geekbenchmark. Went to 20% and it didn't complete the benchmark. I tried 5 or 6 times already. There's nothing on the history. The app just dies. Maybe there's not enough RAM. I don't know. It just won't do a benchmark. But can we do games? I have Asphalt, the latest and greatest. I can see it loads this game. Wow. There's a black screen. Come on, $130. Smart. Okay, there it is. Okay. The screen is big, but it feels nice in the hand, even with the cover. Well, the cover makes it even better. Hey, the loading times are not that great, but that's only 2 GB of RAM, and the memory is probably not the fastest in the world. Oh, a little jada, my friend, in the demo. The resolution is not fantastic. There's only one speaker, which is mono. Yeah, it's playable. Well, couple of jotters. We have a huge jump, and yeah! Woohoo! Okay, that's plenty. Speaker is really loud. Of course, only one. And I noticed the game will not stay in the background, not enough RAM. That's unfortunate. Well, what else? If I don't know if you're able to see it in this camera, but there is a bit smudging in this. It's not smooth at all. See? It's the first impression is not that great when you see it. Well, I'm used to the 120 frames per second. I mean hertz. Sorry, hertz, not frames per second. Hertz smartphones. So it's, I think it's even less than 60. I don't know, kind of weird. Anyway, camera. Let's hit the camera option. And like you can see, we have a video. The maximum resolution is Full HD, 30 frames per second, and we have very nice face tracking, recording with S21. A photo, again, all we can do in photo, we can change the frame. And that's all we can do. Well, there's also a timer, HDR, some color settings. But other than that, yeah, beauty mode. That's all it is. Okay, portrait mode. It will oversharp your face. Okay, it's okay. Nothing fancy. Okay, piano and time lapse. And on the back camera, rare camera. So rare. My English is not that great. We have also an expert mode. Pretty good. And macro mode and Google Lens piano. Okay, let's see a macro. Oh, impressed. Very nice. It's but only for our photos. Okay, so let's see some samples. Short video, front-facing camera, Full HD. That's all it is. Also Full HD. There you go. Okay, maybe a YouTube video. Let me show you a YouTube video. One of my videos, because of the copyright. Well, it just nothing stays in the background. Very strange. Not enough RAM. Okay, let me show you one of my. Maybe this one. Come on, full screen, please. Jakiś wielki szał jest na te lody. Ja akurat sobie wziąłem czerwonego, nie wiem czemu. O co tu chodzi? Okay, looks nice. Very sharp. Full HD. That's the maximum settings. I'm speaking in Polish, so you won't understand it. But the video quality is good. And audio is decent. Oh, okay. Okay. So who's the smartphone for? Well, maybe if you're going to a party and the second smartphone will be nice. Because if you lose your $1,000 iPhone or any flagship, and that's a big no-no. And this is only $130, so not a big deal. If you scratch it, it's also not a big deal. Well, you still can make those party photos, and you still can order a taxi. Look, come on. Oh, just please don't troll me. Order a taxi. Order. Wow.
Proszę bardzo, super taxi Dębica.
Okay. He just wants to order a taxi in Poland because I am located in Poland. Well, everything works. Do you need anything else in a $130 smartphone? Well, maybe a stereo speakers. That's one thing. Other than that, pretty good for a second device. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. And of course, the battery. I forgot to tell you about the battery. Battery lasts me for a day and a half, a little bit less. So, really, really good. Bye.